Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will explain to you a new strategy. It's actually version 2 of my old strategy. The old is still good, but this one is even better. But before we get to that, if you want to copy what I'm doing and use the same broker like me, use the link you see up here right now and you can join this broker today, or you can just use the link you find below the video. And also there you'll find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification so you never lose one video from me. And also, if you have any questions, put them below the video. Okay. So I have some super great news to you also. I share my trades every single day at WhatsApp and Telegram. You can join below. But now also I will start to share my screen so you can follow my trades exactly the way I take them. And yes, cost a little. I have put up two plans because basically do what fits you best. Because I know there are some people only are able to trade, for example, in Saturday. So then I have set up a plan so you can join only to trade Saturdays for me. That plan will cost $50, okay? Then I have also made another plan so you can follow my all trades from Monday till Saturday, okay? The only thing you need to do, push this join button you find in the right side of subscribe. Just push there and you can start up. Everything will be through YouTube, okay? So I will always post a link to YouTube and you can follow when I have my sessions in WhatsApp, and then come a link there, and then everyone that I pay, they can just go in and see. So I will now explain how my strategy works. So as you can see here now, this was the trading session I had today, right? Let me see, we started, let me see what day is today, 23. So you can see we started our session here, 23, okay? So then I start to identify a line. I think the trades was taken around here. So the first trades I did today, you can see I won the first ones in row. Let me see, we won quite a lot in row here. So we won 1, 2, and 3, 10.50, and then we lost. So here we got 3 winners in a row. Because of course, like I said, the strategy in itself is good. We just identify an area where we see we get refusement, okay? Then I mark that one red, okay? This one was green, okay? This one is green as long as we don't break it, okay? So the way then, if you come down here, like here for example, I would have taken a trade here. I think I did. Let me see. Actually, we had buy trades here. So yes, we did that. And then we had a sell trade up. Okay. So every time we come down to this line here, we'll do buy. And up here, we'll do sell. Okay. But here we see what happened. And I think that was this trade here. The line was broken. Then I just wait patiently. I don't want to take any trades more. We just wait. We are down $100, okay? But then I make sure I see where is the next area. I look to the left. We see here one spike here, one here, one here. This is a good area to take a trade. So then what I did, this one then I changed to red color because now we are below it. Okay, we are looking for down trades here. This one, in that case, this one was green because then this is buy trades, right? And then what happened? Looks like I actually did a sell trade. I don't know exactly where I was, but let's not consider this because I can't remember everything. But in this case, this was a buy. And then when you come down here, you can buy and you would have won, right? But then when this one is broken again, then what I do, I change this one to red and we take this one to green. Then I wait for the bar to close below. Now this one, yeah, we are here now. So then we are below. I see, yes, confirm it in the middle below. Then I change this one for red and this one to green. So when they come down, like you see here now, spike come down, I buy here with a martingale, of course, I forgot to say that. The first trade is 100. As we have 95%, we have much to go on, right? So when we lose a trade, I just double it. I don't need to take a 2.5, it's just double. So when I come to a new line, like here for example, let's say I did take buy trade here, right? He come down, okay, we get a new line, we change this one for red, so if you come back up here, we'll sell. So here we lost 100. Then when you come down here, I would then enter with a 200 trade, okay? And then I would win, and then we have 100 and 200, you make 390, you lost 300, you have $90 profit, okay? Same go for over here, we broke down again. Let's say we did we won the trade here, we did enter again here, right? We would have lost. So then we are $100 down again. What happened? We come down to the middle zone, we then take this one, we change it to red, we make a new line. I always look to the left, where's the next area? We see it's here, and we come down, and this one we probably would have lost. And then we will take our next one down here, then we would need to take one more. This was a scenario I did not get because I did stop before we came to that level. But here we would have to take a line here, I will wait patiently, and I would have won on this bar here, because the new line will become around here. We look to the left, where's the next area? Okay, would be around here, very tight, but would be around here. We will then turn this one to a green color. This one then would be a red color, which has it red, and you see here we will take a trade here and we would have won. So then would be one more step, 400 here, and if I done 400, does it say how much I would win? Yeah, 780. So then you can take the calculation. We would then take, we would lost first, the trade would be 100, let's say minus 100, then we will take minus 200, then we'll take minus 400, okay? So we will then be $700 down. But when we won this trade here, we get 780, so we will turn $80 profit in that case. So it's super simple. You see the win rate is very good. We see we won 3 in a row here, then we just have one loss, one win, one loss, one win, one loss, one win. Super easy. So like I said, if you want to follow what I'm doing, and also for these sessions I do, I will share my Forex trade. I will show in depth what I'm thinking. Like today, there were actually just one trade. That is not normal for me, but it was just one trade today I did for Forex. So if you are interested to follow me there, do so. I have a very specific way of trading. And like I said, this is all the pairs I go through in every session. And here is the trade I did take, and you see that it's running in nice profit right now. Yes, some people could have get in a little better than me, but this trade I'm pretty darn sure will be a winner, okay? So, I hope you enjoy this new strategy, and I hope I see many of you joining me, seeing my screen live. You can chat with me after. I will take a little time to answer all questions the way I typically do things, okay? Because I'm also trading in an academy, but the academy did not want to give me the price I wanted right now for you all, so that's why I made special prices for you so you can join me. But the way I want to do things is that I will first use 5 minutes to answer the academy members, and sorry, and then I'll come over to the ones in YouTube and I will answer every single question you have. So you can just ask questions to me while I'm doing the session, and then I will come back, because I can't do while I'm doing, because when I'm in the zone here, if I start answer questions, I will lose trades, and then one question from one person can break trades for other people. That's why I will answer all questions in the end of the session, okay? So I really hope that many of you join so we can trade some together. And like I said, the ones that just want to be a member in Telegram and WhatsApp, you can be that. I share my trades like I've always done for free, but this is for the ones that really want to make money. Then make sure you join this group, okay? So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you there.